Hi, this is Diana from Second Half Dreams, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to make one of your master pages a repeating page. In this case, I'm going to make the My Videos page repeat 104 times in the YouTube video logbook. I want this My Videos page to be my main repeating page. I want it to repeat 104 times. I think 104 is a great number. This way a person can plan out one video a week for 2 years, or 2 videos a week for 1 year. So before I insert the 104 pages down here, I'm going to make a copy of this page and paste it over here. This way the My Videos page will print on both sides of the book. I don't really want 104 blank pages inside my book. There's no reason for that. So to make a copy, I'm just going to press W on my keyboard so I can see my margins. And then I'm just going to select each text box and copy and paste. And then I'm just going to drag the text boxes over. And I apologize, I'm having a problem with my mouse dragging things up and down. So to get the top of this page heading box aligned with my margin, I'm just going to do it up here by changing the Y from 0.4567 to 0.5. And I did that because I know my top margin starts at 1/2 inch. So now let me just double check, and my 2 sides are even. Now I'm going to jump to the pages of my book and figure out where I want to add the 104 video pages. So let's just do a quick review on what we have so far. We have the title page, followed by the copyright page and the dedication page, followed by the My Channel page, and then looks like I have several pages of notes. So I think adding the My Videos page right after this My Channel page will be a great place. So the channel page is on page 5, so let me find page 5 over here. And now I selected page 5. I'm going to right click it and then select Insert Pages. And then now I'm going to insert 104 pages after page 5, and it's going to be the video planning page. So now if I take a look, I have the My Channel page, followed by 104 My Videos pages. And then let me just jump back up to the top of the My Videos section. So typically when I add a new page, I like adding it to the right side. Usually I leave this side blank, or maybe add a notes page or instructions or something. So right now I'm just going to make this page blank. So this page is page 6, and I already have that selected. So now I'm just going to right click it, select Apply Master to Pages, and change Apply Master C to Apply Master None. And now this page is blank, but then now I'm missing one My Videos page. I only have 103 pages of those pages, so I need to just go down here towards the bottom. So here's the last set of My Videos pages, followed by note pages. So I'm just going to change this first note page to a My Videos page by selecting the page, selecting Apply Master to Pages, and then changing note pages to video planning. So now that's a My Videos page, and then I have a few note pages, and the last note page ends on the left, which is correct. But I think I do have maybe a few too many note pages, so I'm just going to maybe delete 4 of them. So I just select them, and then I can drag them to this trash bin. So now I have fewer note pages. And at this point, I could save this file as a PDF and upload it to KDP, but I do want to add more master pages to give this YouTube video logbook more value. So I will be doing that in future videos.